A lot of people end up overpaying for hosting because they miss the better deals. So in this quick Hostinger review, I'll show you how to use the latest Hostinger coupon code to unlock one of the best web hosting offers available right now. If you access Hostinger through the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen, you'll automatically get an extra 20% discount plus 3 extra months added during checkout. If the pricing looks different for your location, simply click the flag icon in the upper right corner of the page, choose your country, and the prices will update instantly. In this Hostinger review, one of the biggest reasons people choose it is because the platform is easy to use while still offering strong website performance. You get fast loading speeds, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, and light-speed servers designed for better optimization. The Hostinger website builder also helps beginners create professional websites without coding experience. You additionally get quick WordPress setup, a clean control panel, and reliable uptime. And every hosting plan is backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test everything without risk. When you combine the extra 20% discount with the 3 bonus months, it helps reduce the total price by a significant amount. So if you're planning to launch your website, just use the link below or scan the QR code to activate the offer instantly. And when your project grows larger, Hostinger also gives you access to advanced tools like Hostinger VPS, Hostinger Horizons, Hostinger OpenClaw, and Hostinger N8N for easier scaling. To get the maximum savings available today, click the link in the description or scan the QR code now to claim your extra 20% discount plus 3 extra months on Hostinger. It takes less than a minute to check the deal. And since the discount is applied through the special link, it's worth verifying the current price before you make your final decision.